This section examines the lubrication system. All moving parts in an engine require lubrication. That is, the application of oil to moving parts to reduce friction between them. A lubrication system distributes oil through the engine. A typical lubrication system consists of an oil sump, an oil pump, and oil galleries. The oil is stored in the sump, bolted to the bottom of the engine block. Oil is drawn from the sump by an oil pump. Oil galleries are small passages in the cylinder block that direct oil to the moving parts. Oil that has been pumped to the crankshaft main bearings travels through oil ways to the connecting rods. Oil may also be splashed from the connecting rods onto the cylinder walls. A filter is usually provided to remove particles of dirt from the oil, and the circulation of the oil assists with the cooling of the internal parts.